Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is brought to you courtesy of my latest cooking live. You can check out that live if you wish. So this is just a combination or a mashup or a piece. It's spliced and it's diced and I just put it together. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and please give the video a like. Thank you.
I've got some broccoli here that I have washed and soaked. So I'm just doing some veggie rice. And I've got some plantain here, ripe plantain that I'm gonna be doing. And I've got some eggs in this bowl that I've already cracked, and I put some black peppercorn and some salt inside. And in that bowl I've got tomato and bell peppers, all different colors in that bowl right there. So that's to eat. Also, I've got some sausages here, some hot and spicy sausages here. There goes my plantains. I've took them out. I'm gonna go do this one. So I'm doing those ones. And I'm using olive oil. So I'm stir frying. I fried up some of the sausage for my daughter because she don't want it cooked up like how I'm doing it. So that's the broccoli right there. That's how it's looking. So I'm just stir frying those or sauteing those, however you want to say it. That's what I'm doing. Those are things. I'm gonna add this in as well, the peppers and the thing inside. And then when the broccoli soften up, I've got my sausages here that I've cut up. I'm gonna put that in. So that's how the veggies are looking. That's how they are looking. Just like that. That's how they're looking. That's how the veggies are looking, guys. And my broccoli has still got a whole lot of crunch. So that's how it's looking like that. So I'm gonna move aside and I'm gonna do my eggs to the side. And I'm also gonna put in my salad. So there you can see I've moved that to the side, and on that side I'm gonna do the eggs. So I'm not using any oil or anything to do the eggs. I'm just gonna throw it in the frying pan and I'm just gonna do it like that. And it's already got black pepper in it and a little bit of salt. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that's the eggs right there. Give it a bit of a whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. I'm whisking that up, and like I said, it's got some black peppercorn. I prefer to use the black peppercorn because that's natural than the powdered black pepper. So I use the black peppercorn and grind it, and I also use the coarse sea salt, the natural sea salt. So now I'm putting my egg to the side of the frying pan. So I need to move it around in the pan like real fast, real quick, because the pan is hot. Like so. That's my eggs, guys. Just big like that. So you move it around real fast in the pan. It cooks really quick because the pan is really hot. So I move it around as fast as this in the frying pan. And if you can see the veggies to the side, I'm gonna mix everything in a bit, but yeah. So that's the egg. That's how it's looking. It's still cooking even though the pan is off the fire, but I wanted to show you, so I brought it here. So you just do that. So that's the egg. It's basically done. The egg is basically done. So now I'm gonna put my sausage in and I'm gonna mix everything up, and I'm basically done. See, that is done. So I just mix everything up like so, just like that. And that's that. And then I'm gonna pour in the sausages, just like so. And the sausages don't need cooking like that because they're already cooked. But obviously I'm gonna let them stir down, steam down, simmer down a little bit with everything. Yeah. And I didn't put anything on this, guys, but some black peppercorn. I just put a little bit of, grind a little bit of black peppercorn on this, and that's how it's looking. So that's all I did, guys. So those are my potatoes that I made. So what I did, I sliced the potatoes in two. I put a little bit of black pepper on them and a little bit of sea salt, just a little bit for taste. And I also put a little bit of paprika, and then I drizzled it with some olive oil, and I put them to bake. And this is how they turned out. Beautiful. So these are not store-bought, they're baked from scratch.
Guys,
so that's how they're
my
looking.
Spinach.
That's my
so
baked
here
potatoes.
You can see me doing
so
my spinach.
Right
I'm
there.
going to ground a little
that
bit
is
of
looking.
black pepper, and I'm going to sprinkle a little dash of salt. And that's my spinach. That's all. It's just sauteing, and then I'm going to combine it. Actually, I'm not combining it. I'm just going to put it to the side.
That's it right there.
With the rest of my ingredients.
Quick
Please
and
give
fast,
the video
guys.
a like and let me know what you think. This recipe was cut from my live that I did recently. So check out that live if you wish. And this is just a video. Thank you for watching. So this plate is my daughter's plate, and this is how she likes it. She didn't want anything. She's having a bit of a acid reflux at the minute, so she don't want to eat any sauce or anything. So she's just having some plain sausages, some plantain, some of the roast potato that I made, and she's having some rice. And that's her plate right there. That's how her plate is looking. So this is my plate. How my plate is looking. So you've got my rice, you've got 2 pieces of baked potato baked from scratch, you've got some plantain, you've got my spinach right there, because I was meant to put my spinach in like I said, and I totally got sidetracked reading all the comments and doing everything. But nonetheless, I did my spinach separate. So that's my spinach right there, and right there is my sausages, my eggs, my broccoli, my peppers, and my tomato. And that's it right there. That's how it's looking, and now I'm gonna go eat it. Stay tuned and give the video a like. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, time for me to eat and tuck in. I've put a little bit of hot pepper sauce onto my veggies. So if you can see anything, that's some hot pepper sauce. So that's what it's looking like, and I'm gonna tuck it now. Please give the video a like. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna tuck in and eat. So that's how it's looking. That's my rice, it's my veg, it's my egg, my sausage, broccoli, peppers, tomato, that's my spinach, my plantain, and that's my roast potato. And I'm gonna tuck in and enjoy. Please give the video a like. Thank you for watching. So I'm demolishing the mountain of rice right here. Demolishing it because obviously I can't eat it like that. So I need to put stuff on it, in it, around it, and that's how it's looking. And I'm gonna be beating this all up. So that is it. That's how it's looking. So let's dig in. It's tasting so nice and spicy. That's my broccoli right there. And the broccoli still have that crunch that I wanted. So that's really nice. Got some plantain right here. Let's cut the plantain. Get some rice. Get a piece of broccoli. Piece of sausage. So good, guys. So good. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is tasting so good. I think I said I was cooking veggie rice. I don't know why I said veggie rice. I should have said rice with veg. So my apologies for saying veggie rice. It wasn't veggie rice. It was just rice with veg. It's so good, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Everything just came together. The peppers, the tomato, the broccoli, the eggs, the plantain and the sausage. And the spinach. Let's not forget the spinach. I just dropped something but I'm not sure what it was. Got some spinach as well right here. So that's the spinach. Really nice, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Got some broccoli right there. Some eggs. So good, guys, so good. Get some spinach in there as well. Incorporate some spinach with the eggs and all of that goodness. And we've got the potato right here. Let's get some potatoes so it's crispy outside, but inside is still fluffy, as you can see right there. So it's not dried inside. So it's crispy outside but nice and fluffy inside. And it's tasting so nice. Yum, 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 guys. Let's get some more plantain. Plantain, some rice, some of that egg and spinach and broccoli. A little bit of spinach right there. And this is tasting really, really good. Thank you guys. I've got that left. This is a nice meal, and this didn't take long to prepare at all. Only because I was doing the live, so you know you're doing the live, you're stopping, you're reading comments, you're talking, you know, so it looks like it takes way longer than it actually does, but it don't really take long at all. Some more of that potato. Some sausage right there. So good, guys. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like. Thank you. Yes, as you can tell by now, I love my food. Yep, I'm a foodie. I am a foodie. No shame, no hiding it that I'm a foodie. I love food. I love my food. So that's why I love to cook. So no one can catch me with food. I'll cook my food. But I love to cook. Another piece of potato. Oops, it's running away. And see, it's falling off the thing, but like I said, it's fluffy inside. It's not dry inside, but the outside is crispy and nice. That's what's left. That is what is left. I'm gonna knock this off real quick. Quick. Clear our plates, get this out of the way. One thing with me, I'm not shy to eat my food. I'm gonna be eating my food if I need to eat my food. That's it. Got one piece of plantain left, one piece of potato, one piece of broccoli, a little bit of rice with the spinach and the sausage, and all of that. I love the broccoli the way it turned out, nice and crunchy. It wasn't cooked too soft and it wasn't too crunchy. Just the right amount of crunch. So this is like the last forkful. This is it, it's done. Just like that, guys. My plate is clean. My last piece of plantain, and that's it. Finito. Thank you for watching, guys. Please give the video a like. Until next time, thank you for coming. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye.